What's up, guys? This is my 2023 Yamaha R1 black on black. We've so far installed some hand guards, a quad lock. We installed a brand new taillight. We have a license plate bracket coming, so there is none right now. That's gonna be tucked underneath the rear wheel right there. And we also ended up getting some new pegs down here. As you can see, some PSRs. These are gonna be the hand guards. They're carbon with some red anodized. Then you got the quad lock, black pegs, the brand new tail light, and then, like I said, there is a license plate that's coming that's just not here yet. And this is what a cold start of a brand new Yamaha R1 sounds like.